Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create group in WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to create group in WeChat, make sure you have a WeChat account first. From your app list, tap open WeChat application and sign into your account first. From the main chat screen of WeChat, tap on the Contacts tab. Tap on the plus button at the upper right corner and from the expanded menu, tap on New Chat. Select the contact you want to add to the group by tapping on them and tap on Done at the bottom right. With this, you have created a group chat on WeChat. Type in your first text in order to welcome your group member. Once you type in your text, tap on the Send button and there you go, your first text to a group chat. That is how you can create group in WeChat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.